Hello, Luke. Potato. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I thought my other student will have class at 8 p.m. It's you. Okay. I'm sorry. I thought it was another student, but I just remembered that it's you. You were the one who is scheduled at 9. Oh no, 8 p.m. there, but here in my place it's 9. So we have different time. Okay. So now that I am here and you are there, Potato, how are you today?
I am great.
You are great. Wow. Did you go to school today? Did you went to school? Yes. And how was your school? How was it?
Then
Huh?
I'm Francisco.
Did you do great in school today?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Did you listen to your teacher in school? Potato, did you listen to your teacher while you are in school? You listened well? Oh, that's great. Okay, that's great to hear that you've listened to your teacher. Now, today, Potato, is we are going to do Unit 9 since we are done with Unit 7 and 8 last time. Okay? So, let me share to you the screen so we can start with our Unit 9. Kore, hipos tayo niya na din. Okay, there you go. Kore, hipos din. Ako na. Ako na. Ako na, hipos na. Ako na, hipos. Okay, Potato, can you see teacher screen? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, what is Unit 9 all about?
Me and my family.
Okay, very good. So Unit 9 is all about me and my family. You know what is a family? Do you know family? Do you
Yeah.
know a family? Okay, that's great. All right, here. So we have here vocabulary
Mother.
words. Oh, about family.
Family. Father.
Oh, very good. We have mother, family, and sister. May tawag to sa boss de? Oh. Yeah. Okay, so we have mother, family, and father. Next, what's this? We have
Brother. Cousin. Sister.
and sister. Okay, Potato, do you have a brother?
Yeah.
Oh, how many brothers do you have?
One.
One brother. How about cousins? Do you know what is a cousin?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many cousins you have?
Two.
Two cousins. And how about
Three.
three cousins? How about sister? Do you have a sister?
No. Yeah. Yeah.
No. Oh, yes. How many sisters do you have?
Two.
Two sisters. Okay, so you have a brother, you have a cousin, and you also have a sister. All right, this one Potato, what is this? This is, what's that?
Then is grandfather.
Grandfather. This one.
Parrot.
Parents. Okay, parents is your mother and your father. We call them parents. Okay, and next we have here is, what's that?
Mother.
Grandmother. Okay, so we have a grandfather, we have a grandmother, and also your parents. Okay, and how about this? What's this? What's this Potato?
Yeah.
Okay, what is
Dog.
that? Daughter. Oh, you call the girl child of the parent daughter. Okay, this one. This is
children.
children. Okay, children are the kids of the parents. And this one, what is this?
Son.
Son. Oh, if you are a boy and you are the child of your parent, you are called son. But if you
That
are a
is
girl, yeah, uh,
son.
yeah, that is a son. But if it's a girl, we call them daughter. Okay? The children of parents are daughter and son. Okay? If it's a girl or a boy. And how about this?
Grandson.
Okay, grandson. Okay. Potato is the grandson of his grandparent. Okay. Potato, you're a grandson because you are a boy. If you are a girl, you will be called as granddaughter. Next, potato, what's the second word we have?
Doctor.
Grand.
Doctor.
Granddaughter, okay. Granddaughter is what you call to a girl, dot, of a girl. But if it's a boy, grandson. And then those parents of your mother or father are called grandparents, okay? Grandparents are the parents of your parents, okay? Of your mom and your dad. And how about what's that potato? Aunt. Okay, aunt. Aunt is the sister of your mom or your dad. But if it's a boy, if it's a
Uncle.
boy, it's uncle. Very good. Okay, the brother of your mother or the brother of your father is called uncle. All right, here we go. First potato, what's the first word?
Three.
Naughty. What is naughty?
Behaving badly, not waiting to up.
To obey. Oh, if you don't listen to your parents or to your grandparents, you will be called as naughty. Okay? If you don't listen and you will not follow them, you're called naughty girl, naughty boy. Next potato. Second word.
Making a lot of noise. Loud.
Okay, loud. That is making a lot of noise. Next, number 3, we have
Quiet. Making
quiet.
very little noise.
Okay, making very little noise. That's the opposite of loud. Loud means very noisy, very loud voice. But if we say quiet, it means little noise. Okay, next,
Table.
the
Fish and
clever.
running and starting tea.
Okay, clever means can understand fast. Oh, like potato. Potato, do you understand fast? Can you understand fast? Huh? Do you think fast? Potato?
Yeah.
Oh, so if you can think fast, if you can understand quickly, you are clever. Okay? Next, what is the last word we have? Silly. What is silly?
Silly. Showing a lack of thought.
Okay, lack of thought
Or
or
story.
understanding. Yeah, silly boy. Okay, next. All right. Potato, I have here a picture. Okay. Oh, there's no Thingsman here. Okay, look at here. This one is a picture of a family. Okay, Potato, how many people can you see in the picture? Okay, there are 6 people. What are the names of the grandparents? What are the names of the grandparents? Potato, what are the names of the
Ben, Peter.
Oh, this one. Grandparents are Hugo and
Right.
Zoe. Right. Very good. How about what is the name of their children of Hugo and Zoe Rice? What are the names of the children? It's
Ben, Peter.
Matt and Alice Page. We also have Sam and Julia. Please read. Julia Rice. Julia Rice. Those are the children of Hugo and Zoe Rice. Now here, Potato. Matt and Alice have children. What are the names of the children of Matt and Alice? Potato, what are the names of the children of Matt and Alice? They are Oh, how old is Jane? How old is Jane?
Jane is 30 years old.
And how about Sue?
So is 12 years old.
11 years old. Okay, next. Potato, let's go to the children of Sam and Julia Rice. What are the names of their children? Potato, what's the name of the children of Sam and Julia Rice? They are
Oh,
and
they are they are Sam and Julia Rice.
Ben and Peter are the children of Sam and Julia Rice. How old is Ben Potato? How old is Ben?
It's 12. Ben 12.
Okay. Ben is 12 years old. And how about Peter?
5. Oh.
Oh, all right. Very good. So Ben is 12 years old, while Peter is 5 years old. Very good. Now, Potato, look at here. These children here are the cousins. What are the names of the cousins? Who are the cousins in the picture? They are Oh, what are the names of the cousins? The 4 cousins in the picture. They are
They are they are children.
What are the names of these 4 cousins? Jane. Come on, please read. Jane. Next.
Jane has
Sue.
Jane has 2.
Next.
Jane has 12.
Come on. Jane. Sue.
Jane
Sue.
has 2.
No, Jane is 13. Sue is
green or yellow.
Oh, Sue is? How about Sue? How old is Sue?
Blue.
Sue is?
11 yellow.
No, 11.
Yellow.
Oh, how about Ben? How old is Ben?
Then 12 yellow.
And how about Peter?
Peter is 5 yellow.
Okay, very good. So there are the 4 cousins of this family in the picture. Okay, they are called cousins. Okay, now that is Hugo, that is Zoo, that is Julia Rice. What is Julia Rice wearing, Potato?
What?
What is Julia Rice wearing?
What?
What is Julia Rice wearing? Look at Julia Rice in the picture.
Julia Rice.
Hmm.
Julia Rice is wearing a green shirt.
Okay, very good. A green jacket. How about Alice? What is Alice wearing?
Like man and holding a cake.
Hmm. How about Sam? What is Sam holding?
Holding a camera.
Correct. And how about Matt? What is Matt holding?
Holding a I don't know.
Holding a blue?
I think a blue.
Blue what? Look at Matt. Blue bag. Again. Okay. All right. So here, Potato, let's read about Jane and write the family words under. Oh, please read.
So, and I love everyone in your family.
In our family.
Dad, Neva, your
Oh,
mom.
our mom. Is that the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Alex. No.
What's the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Our mom's called Alice. Come on, please read.
We got a very pretty.
Pretty. What's the answer number 3? Okay, you leave number 3.
No, I know.
Okay, what is it?
Mom.
Mom. Like that?
Dad.
Okay, next. Number 4. She's called
Dad.
that? Sam. Is Sam dad or Sam is an uncle? Dad or uncle? Who is Sam? A dad or an uncle?
I don't know.
You choose. Dad or uncle? Because who is talking here is Jane. Oh, Jane is talking in the picture. And she is referring to Sam. Who is Sam to Jane? Is Sam the father or the uncle? Sam, the father or the uncle?
Uncle.
Okay, uncle. Wait. Next. Okay. He is very.
No, no, no. Here.
What's
Here
that?
is. Here is.
What's the name? Mom or aunt?
What?
What is number 3? Mom or aunt? This is Jane and we are aunt. Okay, we will change answer, okay? Wait me. Okay, aunt. Next. He is, come on, potato. Continue. He is very.
This is
Uh, we've got to. What do you call to Ben and Peter to Jane? We've got to brother or cousin.
Children.
I'm not children. Is it brother or cousin? Choose one.
Brother.
Brother. Okay, that one. They're both. Please read. Potato.
Born and their name is Ben and Peter.
Flower. Oh, what do you call to Hugo and Zoe Rice? Who is Hugo and Zoe Rice? They are our.
What?
What do you call to Hugo and Zoe? Who are they? Are they parents or grandparents?
Grandparents.
Okay, grandparents. All right, so potato. Please read. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Boy, then your grandparents name Hugo and Zoe. We like going to see them a lot. They are happy because they are granddaughter and two grandsons now. Ben, Peter, Sora, and me.
Okay. Now here, are you ready to check your answer, potato?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. So let's read, okay? Teacher will read. My sister Sue and I love everyone in our family. Our parents are great. Dad's name is Matt. Look at number 2. Oy, very good. Our mom's called Alice. We've got a really pretty aunt. Very good, potato. Aunt, too. She's called Julia. And our number 4 is Uncle. Correct. Uncle's name is, what's the name of the uncle? Sam. He's very tall. We've got 2. Is it brother or cousins? Oh, it's not brother, it's cousins because the one talking is Jane. Ben and Peter are the children of Sam and Julia. So Ben and Peter are cousins of Jane. Okay, so the answer is cousins. They are both boys. And their names are, what are the names of the 2 cousins?
Grandparents.
Oh, no, the name of the 2 cousins. The 2 cousins are?
Grandparents.
No, cousins. Cousins. Ben and
Ben
Ben and
Paul.
Peter. Okay, next. Number 6. Our very good grandparents' names are Hugo and Zoe. We like going to see them a lot. They're happy because they've got 2 granddaughters and 2 grandsons now. Ben, let's read potato. Ben, Peter,
Peter,
2,
Sue, and
and
me.
okay. So those are the 4 grandchildren of Hugo and Zoe Rice. Okay. Wait, Potato, you enter again to the Zoom class, Potato. We are not yet done, okay? And let's move to the next activity. Okay, enter again.